Okay guys, Cardi here with you guys again with this Prv Sq11000X. Yes guys, this is a testing video. As you guys can see, I hooked it up already and I tested it guys. Yeah, I did test it because, and man guys, this thing, let's hear for yourself guys. You hear that fan guys? That fan is super loud. That's really loud. Alright guys, so this comes and it's gonna stay with the orange light until I put a signal to it. So okay, let me get some signal to it guys. So it's gonna have an orange light with a signal. Yeah, test tone. See if I find a bass test tone guys. Alright, I'm gonna put that 35 hertz. Alright, let me turn it up on it. Want you guys to see when it's changed. See that guys? It's changed to blue now. So yes. And the fan comes on and listen guys. You heard that? Wow. Tell me now guys, listen. That's the only downfall. Ooh, look at that guy, that thing shake off everything around and stuff. Oh, this thing. Alright, let me turn this down guys, yes. Alright, turn it down. It should stop any minute now. If you go back to orange, this is the fan. That's super loud. I don't think guys, see? So they stop now. After a while they stop. As you can see the orange light here, they still have the orange light, so let me switch it out. Guys, this thing is super loud. I was like, man, this is the loudest fans I ever heard in an amplifier. I'm not sure why. I don't know. I think this is because this fan is like a three-way fan, I think. Two-way. You can see they cut off one of the wire here. I think that was maybe 5 volts or something. But yes. And these are the wide fans, so I guess that's why. They spin more, RPM or what you want to call it, guys. So yeah. But yeah, it's up and running. And the problem, guys, with this thing was, see those diode, guys? Those are, see? Yeah, I know you guys can see it. Oh, yeah. See? U2J. Sometimes it's UD. So, yeah, that's the diode, guys. All right. And, yep, it's working fine. And that's something else I find out, guys. This is chip, guys. It's the SI I like using the turbo fire. This is the SI chip, guys. Oh, yes. This is the SI chip. Can you imagine? This is the SI8244BB. This is the driver IC, and these are the pre-driver. So these normally be the driver in like a lot of amplifiers, like Stetson, the big ones and stuff. These used to be the driver IC, but this use these as pre-driver, and this is the driver. Wow, you see that, guys? So this amplifier is something else. Just to tell you that, which in I would say, I would rather, well, for repair purpose, I would rather not use it. But on the other hand, yes, it's good that it uses this. This is a really good IC. But just because they're expensive, guys, yes, these are really expensive. These are really cheap. Not really, really cheap, but these are cheaper. So yeah. So that's one of the things I did want to share with you guys. And all I do, guys, is just plug this thing back to here. And this was driving me crazy. Like earlier, I was like, why are these back here? I know I work on the other brands before. But guys, these I think, I don't know who repaired before, but it's somebody who repaired before did this here, which, yeah, they just put them there, like the solder one end and then the next end doesn't connect to anything. So for some reason I don't know why they do that, but just letting you guys know. So yeah, but otherwise guys, everything is okay with it. As you guys can hear, it's working perfectly fine guys, and everything is all good. And that's all she wrote guys. So please like, subscribe if you like what you see so far. And guys, Cardi guys is out for now guys. So that's it for now. So please like, subscribe if you like what you see so far guys. And that's it. Alright, enough respect guys. Alright.